Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook squid tentacles. First, ensure your squid tentacles are either very fresh or completely thawed for the best results. Take a moment to gently rinse them under cool, running water, checking for any lingering sand or grit. Once clean, it is critically important to meticulously pat them dry with paper towels. This step prevents steaming and ensures they will achieve a perfect sear. Infusing flavor is the next vital step for delicious squid tentacles. A simple marinade works wonders, adding both tenderness and a bright taste. Whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1/2 lemon, 2 minced cloves of garlic, and a pinch of dried oregano or fresh parsley. Toss your dried tentacles in this mixture, ensuring they are evenly coated, and let them rest for at least 20 minutes at room temperature, or up to 1 hour in the refrigerator. Now let's explore a quick and effective searing method. Get a heavy-bottomed pan, like a cast iron skillet, or your grill grate incredibly hot over high heat. This is key for a tender result. Add a small amount of high smoke point oil, then place your marinated tentacles in a single layer. Sear them for just 60 to 90 seconds per side until they turn opaque and develop a beautiful, light golden brown color. Overcooking makes them tough. For a delightful crunch, crispy fried tentacles are an excellent option. Begin by lightly coating your dried squid pieces in seasoned flour or cornstarch, ensuring an even, thin layer. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a deep pot to a consistent 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry small batches for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.